I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and we're here today on the MJM 43z. This video is to take a look at some of the storage and mechanical spaces that are offered on this outboard 40-footer. All of our horsepower is now hanging off of the transom, which allows for this massive storage and mechanical area beneath the aft deck.
It's easy to access this area with the electric opening hatch. The aft bench seat supports are hinged, which allows it to open without removing any of the cushions or covers. This space back here is really versatile. It's big enough for those larger items that you want to have on board, but you don't want to have them up on deck. Think a folding tender, beach chairs, inflatable paddle boards, or folding bikes.
We have excellent access to the Seakeeper and the generator, as well as their through hulls and sea strainers. Here inside the helm deck, we can access the top of the fuel tank and the return manifolds. With the fuel tank center line, we gain some added storage space outboard as well. The top of your generator can be reached through one of the smaller hatches for your daily oil checks. If you have any questions about the 43Z or any other MJM, feel free to reach out to me with the contact information below this video.